Another theory that belongs to sociological theory is the anomie theory. Well, this anomie theory is very popular when you take your board examination for criminologists here in the Philippines, because the anomie theory is often asked during the board examination. Well, the anomie theory is by Sir Emilen Durhiem. So, Emilen Durhiem makes use of the anomie, referring to a situation in which there is a breakdown of social norms because of rapid change, or the definition that you can see here is that the breakdown of social norms and condition where those norms could no longer control the activity of societal members, or situation in which cultural norms break down because of rapid change. So the example here given to us by Sir Emilen Durkheim is that in places where there is economic depression, meaning to say the economy is going down, or in countries where the economy is going down, the people will not be able to achieve what are their goals because of this economic depression. Or this can also occur if in places wherein the economy experiences the experiences in the economy experiences has been booming, or suddenly in a form of sky's the limit, or meaning to say that the economy is fastly growing. Now, the people don't know how to limit their goals and be satisfied with their achievements. Therefore, that's considered as that is the example given to us by Sir Emilen Durkheim, that if one community is going down, well, the norms will be changing. If one community will be getting up fast, okay, the community or the norms within the community will be rapidly changing likewise. So there is the condition in which society will provide moral guidance to the individual, meaning that if the economy of one place is going up as fast as they could not expect it, the community shall provide what are the morals, what are the norms that are to be followed. If not, the people or members of the community will be trying to achieve, okay, will be trying to catch the increase of the behavior. Or if it is on the economic depression, people will be shocked on the loss of these kinds of dreams or their goals that they have setting. So there will be breakdown of social norms, or there will be condition wherein the norms they are trained to do so is no longer the activity that they are doing. There is the change of situation, there is the change of norms, there is the breakdown because of a rapid change. This change could be either in good or in a bad way. Now, let us give example for example, during the quarantine period, that people suddenly stop. Okay, the economic statuses of every people goes down. So the normal actions of every individual suddenly change, rapidly change, and so therefore the people has no longer have the situations or the normal norms that they do, and that because of these norms were already changing, or because of this rapid change, tendency is that different behaviors will be shown by these individuals, which you do not expect if it is good or bad. Another one on the anomie theory, it involves the conflict of system or belief system, and causes breakdown and social bonds between individual and in the community. It could be by economic or primary reason. So you can see here that the bonds, the word bond here, the breakdown of social bonds will be occurring likewise. However, Durkheim was the first to Durkheim did not really introduce what you call as anomie, because he is trying to tell us that there must be division of labor. Durkheim never used the word normlessness. Rather, he described the anomie as the derangement and insatiable will. Durkheim used the term malady of the infinite, because the desire without limit can never be fulfilled. It only becomes more intense. The instinct of a man, because of their unlimited wants and needs, the tendency is that because there are no norms that sets the standard, people will do continuous or intensely their actions. They will be doing the normal things that they do without any norms. Okay, these wants, these needs can never be fulfilled. And so if the person's fulfillment is not achieved, he will continue do these wants, even if he hurt already the community or they hurt already the member of the community. So for Durkheim, anomie arises more generally from a mismatch between personal or group standards. So if the group standards would say this will be the standard for us, the social standard, the community standard is this. However, the personal standard says this is only the standard that I can do, or in some instances, because of the lack of social ethic within the community, there is no moral already. Now, it produces moral deregulation in the absence of legitimate aspirations already. In conclusion, anomie means there is normlessness. Okay, there is the breakdown of social norms because of the rapid changes. Now, if these rapid changes are not able to be catched by people, there will be no clear rules that guides them. Now, the individuals cannot find their place in the society where they wanted to belong and will be having difficulty in adjusting on the same life conditions. Okay? They will be either doing good or doing bad.